Subliminal TV.
Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on where you're in the world. I'm Eric. You're watching Subliminal TV, and this morning I'm going to the Hot Wheels Legends Tour. I'm gonna take the Ferrari early so I can get the picture next to the sign like I did last year. Last year was a lot of trouble trying to get in because I was not registered because I was invited at the last minute. I'm not really trying to put the Ferrari in, but I just want the photo next to the Hot Wheels signs. Why, you may ask? I guess because I grew up with Hot Wheels, just like a lot of us. As I said, got here on time this time, registered this time, so as you can see, I got my photo, and now I'm gonna drive in here and park, walk around and show you guys what's out here. It ended up being a pretty good turnout, actually.
All right, stop right here with these two gentlemen and grab your phone.
The Hot Wheels Legends Tour, it's a little bit different. You look around, you see a lot of custom cars, like one-off cars you never see anywhere else. That's what I like about this show. If you know me, you know that I like different things. I am the type that would build something from the ground up. Does my skill set align with me being able to do that completely? Not completely, as much as I am hands-on. I would, get someone to help me do the heavy things that I can't do. But the point that I'm making here is I love custom cars. I love these one-off cars. So when I come to things like this, I can appreciate all the work and time people put into building something that's just their own. You look at all of the unique cars. Some of these things, I don't even know if you can put a name on it. You can put a tag on it. I guess you name it whatever you want to name it because it's non-manufactured. This one Chevy truck here, I think it's a Chevy, I don't know exactly what it is, but I saw it here last year actually. It's turquoise, it has like the surfboards on it and have like the fake engine on the top and the back of it, and some people may think that's corny. I don't. I like that it's unique. Like I say, I like unique things. Again, that's what I like about the Hot Wheels Legends Tour. So as many times as they bring it to Atlanta, I'm gonna go. Something else that's way more important going on and I can't make it, but otherwise I'm gonna go and check out all these beautiful one-off cars, and of course get my photo by the Hot Wheels signs, because like I say, I grew up on Hot Wheels. I can remember when I would have all of these Hot Wheel cars lined around the perimeter of my mother's bed, and she still talk about that until this day because she see how much I'm into cars. So she talks about how she remembers the time that I would be around her bed with all these cars, and she would have to fuss at me and tell me, hey, get all those cars off my bed because I want to go to sleep or I want to lay down. But again, I love Hot Wheels Legends Tour for the fact that it is very unique. The people here, they have one-off cars. It's like cars that you can tell people have been building for however many years. They bring it here, and what Hot Wheels Legends do is they give a winner the opportunity to have their car made into a little Hot Wheels car, which is very neat. Personally, as much as I can appreciate that, I don't really come here for that. Like I say, I registered my car just to get the picture by the sign so that I can have that, but I don't really care to win the show. I would love to have my car as a Hot Wheels, but I'm not really that motivated to do that. If I ever got that, perfect. But I just like to come here and appreciate everybody else's cars. Again, I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. If you have Hot Wheels Legends Tour coming through your city at any given time and you're into cars and you like unique cars, I absolutely think that you should go check it out too.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Pacing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Positive that it was way more crowded this year than it was last year. It was cool. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have failed.
Yes, sir.
Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Pacing on a sleepless night. Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sun